listeners. Hope you all are doing fantastic. Welcome back to Vocab with Aileen, where tricky words turn into your best buddies. Today's word is so funny. It sounds like the name of an actual wizard. Flummox. Well, flummox means to confuse or puzzle someone so much that they go, huh? It's like when your brain does a little cartwheel because it can't figure out anything. Imagine you ask your dad for pocket money, and instead of giving you the money, he gives you a broccoli.
Oh no!
Oh my god, what was that? Huh? That would totally flummox you, right? Or your pet cat suddenly starts doing the moonwalk. Huh? Yep, you would be flummoxed for sure. Okay, let's see how to use flummox in a sentence. I was flummoxed when my teacher started speaking like a robot. Hello everyone. Mom flummoxed me by putting my socks in the fridge. Like, really? The magic trick flummoxed the whole classroom. Wow! So next time you're super confused, just say I'm flummoxed and sound extra fancy. If today's word made you giggle, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and join me again for more magical words only on Vocab with Aileen. Bye!